In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use style in objects in Miro. Whether you're a newbie to Miro or looking to enhance your visual presentations with a bit more flair, understanding how to style objects can make your boards not only more appealing, but also more efficient for communication. Let's dive right into making your Miro boards pop with some easy styling techniques. First things first, you want to begin by opening your Miro board where you'd like to add some style. Once you're in, you'll need to highlight the objects you want to style. This could be anything from sticky notes to text boxes, shapes, or connectors. Make sure these elements are selected, which you can do by simply clicking and dragging your cursor over them or by holding down the Shift key while individually clicking each object. With your objects highlighted, you'll notice that a toolbar pops up, offering a range of options. Here, find and click on Styles. This button is your gateway to the customization options that Miro provides, enabling you to adjust the visual aspects of your selected objects. Now, once you've clicked on Styles, the next thing you'll want to do is focus on the color preferences. On the right side of your screen, a color palette should appear. This is where you choose the color that best fits the aesthetic you're aiming for. Whether you're sticking with brand colors, aiming for contrast, or just picking your favorite shade, this array of colors allows for endless possibilities. Click on the color you like, and instantly, your objects should take on the hue selected, providing a visual transformation. Remember, while the color is an immediate way to give your board personality, it's also functional. Different colors can denote different categories or signify priority within your board's layout. This can be particularly helpful in team settings, making it easier for collaborators to comprehend groupings or to focus on what matters most at a glance. A useful tip here is to maintain consistency throughout your board. Too much variety can be overwhelming for viewers. Stick to a color scheme that's easy on the eyes and serves the function you're aiming for. That's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you can style your Miro objects efficiently and effectively, enhancing your boards both in terms of appearance and usability. So go ahead, give it a try on your next project. Experiment with different styles each time, and soon you'll find the perfect combination that suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore all the creative possibilities Miro has to offer in your next session.